5 hidden truths about microplastics. Tiny plastics are everywhere, in our water, food, and even the air we breathe. These invisible invaders, called microplastics, are quietly reshaping our world. What's smaller than a grain of sand but pollutes our oceans? Every day, tiny plastic particles escape from the things we use, from bottles to bags. These microplastics are now invading our oceans, rivers, and even the air we breathe. Microplastics form when larger plastic items break down over time, under sunlight, heat, and mechanical wear. These fragments, often smaller than a grain of sand, become almost invisible but widespread, turning everyday plastic waste into a global pollution problem. Scientists are finding them everywhere, from marine life to the water we drink, revealing how this tiny debris has a massive impact on our environment. Could tiny plastics be inside your own cells? These tiny plastics might be harmless at first glance, but their size hides a surprising danger. These tiny fragments can pick up toxic chemicals and heavy metals from their surroundings, acting like microscopic transporters. They move these harmful substances through ecosystems and even into living organisms, amplifying the risks far beyond the plastic itself. Ever drank water from a plastic bottle today? Microplastics aren't just tiny pieces of plastic, they're stealthy carriers of danger lurking in our water and food. As plastic particles get smaller, they become more powerful. Nanoplastics are so tiny they can interact with human cells and even travel inside living organisms. While the total weight is almost negligible, the sheer number of these particles makes them biologically significant and extremely challenging for scientists to study. What if tiny plastics are already inside you? Removing microplastics is not as simple as it sounds.
Traditional filters in microscopes were never built to catch particles so tiny. As plastics break down into smaller and smaller fragments, detecting, measuring, and controlling them becomes extremely difficult, making both risk assessment and cleanup a huge challenge.
Can nanotech really catch invisible plastics? Traditional filters often miss the tiniest plastic particles, letting pollution slip through and accumulate in our environment.
Nanotechnology offers solutions at the same scale as the problem. Nano-engineered filters can trap particles that conventional filters can't, while natural nanomaterials, like plant-based nanocellulose, do it sustainably. Beyond cleaning up existing pollution, nanotech can even prevent plastics from shedding in the first place, giving us smarter ways to protect our planet before the problem spreads.